can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin is up 12.8%. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $104,000. Bitcoin currently trades above $100,000. Bitcoin's market cap has crossed the $2 trillion level. In this video, we'll take a look at Bitcoin's valuation against the US dollar. We'll look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance cryptocurrency market is currently dumping. We'll also look at Bitcoin's market cap, which has crossed the $1.98 trillion level. Bitcoin's market cap peaked around $2.06 trillion. How high can Bitcoin go in the coming days and coming weeks? There's still extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Will that send Bitcoin pumping to the moon, or will that send us dumping to gobbling town? We'll take a look at liquidation data, new stories going around the cryptocurrency market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're new to this channel and you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. If you want to become a member, link in the description. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin trades above $100,000. Bitcoin's fully diluted market cap sits at $2.11 trillion. Guys, how high can Bitcoin go? Bitcoin all-time highs right now sits around $103,900. You can get Bitcoin on your favorite crypto exchange on Binance, on Bybit, OKX, BitGet, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Bitcoin has been pumping. Market participants are in extreme greed. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is nice. Market seller has been buying Bitcoin front, left, and center. But we're yet to leave the $100,000 range. Some people are saying we are going to pump eventually. I'm of the opinion Bitcoin is setting up for one big dump to gobbling town. Of the opinion the bull market is almost over. We're in the final phases of the bull market. Historically, Bitcoin pumping and going sideways has not been a good sign for the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin pumping and going sideways has signaled that the pump is over. The altcoins start pumping has never been a good sign for Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumping and altcoin market dumping, that's always been nice for the cryptocurrency market. That's exactly what you want to see in a healthy market. But when Bitcoin starts pumping to higher prices and then it starts going sideways, and you're seeing altcoins going parabolic, and you're seeing altcoins over the last 1 week, over the last 1 month, outpacing Bitcoin, that's a huge signal that the bull run is coming to an end, and market participants are getting very optimistic. They have missed the Bitcoin bull run and they're running to the altcoin market. After altcoins pump, what will you see? Nobody is going to be in the market. You'll be left holding the bag. You don't want to be left holding the bag, guys. Bitcoin have been in a 2-year-long bull market. Nobody should deceive you that you're early right now. This is not the start of something great. Markets always pump. They always dump to gobbling town. Let me show you what Bitcoin has done over the last 14 years. This time it's not different. Bitcoin has had way crazier pumps than we're experiencing right now, and it eventually dumped gobbling town. I'll tell you why it's going to continue pumping, and I'll tell you why you should be very careful that Bitcoin can just rug pull you at any point in time. Now, take a look at what Bitcoin did way back in 2011. Bitcoin gave us one of the biggest pump of Bitcoin's history, a 48,000% rally in 2 years. But what happened after that? We eventually saw a dump to gobbling town. Bitcoin went from $1,200 down to as low as $200, and then Bitcoin gave us another wonderful pump this time around. A 13,000% pump to gobbling town. What happened after that? Another dump to gobbling town for Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is very resilient. Bitcoin always pumps to the moon, and that's what keeps it very interesting. A lot of market participants always believe the whole Bitcoin is always going to go to the moon. Over a long period of time, you're going to make some profit, but then there's some huge swings to the upside and also some huge swings to the downside. Bitcoin had another swing to the upside this time around in 2021, rallying by 2,000%. So you can notice that the pump is getting lower from 48,000% to 13,000%, and right now Bitcoin is up only 2,000% in 2021, and then we still had the bear market after Bitcoin finished topping. Right now, in 2024, we have seen Bitcoin rally from the bottom of the bear market at $15,500. Bitcoin has only rallied up 573%, and the cryptocurrency market is talking great for over 2 months. We're seeing altcoins pumping to the moon. We're seeing record liquidations that are huge signals that this rally, maybe just maybe, is coming to an end. I believe markets will top in December of 2024. I believe 2025 is very bearish for the cryptocurrency market. That might be very contrarian right now. A lot of market participants are expecting us to continue pumping to the moon. They're expecting huge pump to the upside, and the market has given us a great gift. Bitcoin has traded above $100,000 around 1 month, around 21 days right now. Yes, we can still go higher than $103,000, maybe even getting to $110,000, maybe $130,000. But guys, That is the last 10% or the last 30% of a 570% move. If you want to get that greedy, you might get your hand in hot water. Remember, you're not to get too scared, you're not to get too greedy. So at the bottom, you don't want to be the person saying, I'm waiting for 12K. You want to start accumulating around 18K, around 15K. That would have been a very wonderful strategy. Yes, you would have not have timed the bottom, but would have gotten Bitcoin at a very fair price. At the same thing at the top, you don't want to be the person selling Bitcoin just before it dumps. You want to be the person selling at $100,000, at maybe $105,000, and then Bitcoin gets to $110,000. Or even if you sell at $90,000, guys, in the bear market, you realize that all these tiny price movements that you're waiting for makes no sense, because a big 50% dump in price of Bitcoin will send shivers down the spine of almost all market participants. And the 50% dump for Bitcoin is always possible. Take a look at what Bitcoin did in the previous bear market. We're just dumping to Goblin Town. I remember this time in 2022, market participants were very positive, expecting higher prices, and then in just 60 days, Bitcoin was already down 62%, going from as high as $48,000 trading at $17,000. And that's not the first time Bitcoin has done it. We have seen Bitcoin do it multiple times. We saw Bitcoin do it during the COVID sell-off. Bitcoin was trading around $10,000, and in just 1 month, Bitcoin went down 62%. So we want to be very, very careful. The higher we go, the more dangerous it becomes. The higher we go, the more you take some profits off the table, because the higher we go, the more a huge dump around the corner is coming. If you take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, it has started dumping, and historically, Bitcoin dominance dumping has not been good for the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance means all coins are doing better than Bitcoin. So either all coins are not dumping as hard as Bitcoin, or all coins are outperforming Bitcoin. In this case, all coins are outperforming Bitcoin by a lot. The last 1 month has seen Bitcoin rally up by 12%. XRP is up 250%, XLM 240%, HBAR 418%. Almost all the altcoins in the market are outperforming Bitcoin over the last 1 month. If you're holding those altcoins, that's a very, very good sign. But at the same time, if you're thinking of the health of the general cryptocurrency market, that's terrible for us. I still believe Bitcoin dominance is going to dump. My bet is that we're going to see Bitcoin dominance maybe at below 50%, maybe as low as 49%. Maybe we'll come to the 200-day moving average for Bitcoin dominance, 200-week moving average for Bitcoin dominance, back to the 48% region. But one thing is sure, there's bad sign for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's market cap has gotten to as high as $2 trillion, even peaking as high as $2.06 trillion. And with a strong belief, the top is in. Guys, the top never feels like the top. The top is when we see extreme greed. The bottom when we see extreme fear. If you think about it logically, the top that you're supposed to sell is when the market looks best, when the chart looks the best, when everybody thinks we're going to the moon, there's no sign of danger. That's when you want to sell. Bitcoin is way off its 200-day moving average. It's way off its 200-week moving average. Bitcoin's 200-week moving average sits at the $63,000 level for Bitcoin's market cap. That's at the $818 billion region. Bitcoin is up more than 145% from that moving average. And remember, over time, Bitcoin is going to draw back to that moving average. For now, that moving average sits at $42,000. Sorry, I said $63,000. It sits at $42,000. At some point in time in the nearest future, Bitcoin is going to experience a big decline. Don't act surprised. It always happens all the time. Ask yourself, are you ready for those kind of big dumps? The last 24 hours have seen big liquidations to the cryptocurrency market. More than 95,000 traders have been liquidated. At total sum of liquidation coming in at $272 million. One trader lost $5.31 million betting on the price of Bitcoin. You want to avoid using leverage, guys. You might think you are smarter than the market, but when those dumps happen, you will get cleaned out. Extreme greed is still in the cryptocurrency market. The number one job is to sell extreme greed and buy extreme fear. So right now you should be in selling mode. Remember, selling at the top always feels as bad as buying at the bottom. Bitcoin price reclaimed 6 figures on CPI relief as traders see $110,000 next. I have one rule I always follow. I believe the opposite of what the news media are telling me. They are there to confuse you. At the top, they're telling you to buy. At the bottom, they're telling you to sell. But right now, Bitcoin trades above $100,000 and everybody's a genius. And one final decision, guys, and one final thing I want to say, the Fed decision coming in December, market participants believe there's going to be a Fed is going to cut interest rate. And remember, guys, historically, I need to go and do some research. Anytime the Fed start cutting interest rate, it means there's trouble on the horizon. Anytime the Fed start cutting interest rate, you want to start running for the hills. You want to remember, cash is king. Bitcoin has been nice to us over the last 2 years, from trading around $15,000 in November of 2022 to trading at above $100,000 in December of 2024. 2 years, 555% pump to the upside. What more do you want to ask for? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you think Bitcoin will go? Do you think I might have a bearish on the market? Do you see Bitcoin getting to a new all-time high? Do you see Bitcoin getting to $150,000 in 2024, maybe 2025? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.